Good day, everyone. May I present to you the Alalay AI. My mission is simple to ensure that in our rapidly advancing digital world, no one is left behind. We are focused on bridging the digital divide through inclusive technology. Problems. Today, elderly individuals and persons with disabilities struggle with modern digital platforms. Complex interfaces and small text lead to confusion and a total dependence on others for essential services like banking and healthcare. Look at the data. In Lapu-Lapu City alone, there are over 33,000 senior citizens and 7,000 registered PWDs. Shockingly, only 18% of the seniors have basically IT skills. However, research shows that 80% can adapt if they have the right guidance. The problem isn't the user, it's the lack of support in our current systems. Why does this happen? Why is this happening? Technology has simply advanced faster and accessibility. We are seeing a rapid digital transforms that ignores non-exclusive, inclusive design, leaving those with low digital literacy in the dark. We've built a world of high-speed services that many of our citizens can't even open. Who are we solving for this? We are solving for these two groups. Our target users are elderly and PWDs who seek independence. Our paying B2B customers are banks, government officers, and healthcare institutions. These organizations currently face long queues and operational delays because users cannot navigate their digital tools independently by helping the users with help institutions. Solution. Alalay is an AI-powered voice assistant that integrates into existing digital platforms. Unlike a standard screen reader, it provides proactive step-by-step guidance. Users can navigate complex apps and websites using simple voice commands in both Cebuanos and English. It, act, it acts as a digital companion that ensures every task is completed independently and correctly. Prototype and MVP. Our MVP is built using .NET MAUI for cross-platform support, ensuring it works wherever the users needs it. It leverages natural language processing and machine learning to provide feedback and confirmation. Prompts, it's not just a tool, it's an overlay that makes any existing system accessible. Why Alalay AI waits? Why does Alalay AI wait? Because it is designed specially for the needs of the elderly PWDs, reducing the workload of institution while empowering the individual. We believe that technology should be simple and exclusive for everyone. We are here to promote independence and reduce operational burdens because at the end of the day, no one should be left behind. Thank you.